Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make triplanar and parallax effect at the same time. There is no information about this in Unity and in Unreal Engine, but I did it in my own way, so I will show you. First, I tried to find a ready-made result in the internet, and I found this article. I tried to replicate the same in Unity, so I made it. It looks good on a flat surface, but with round objects, it has some weird lines like this on all 6 sides. So when I change triplanar blend value, the result is still bad. So here is this triplanar blend values that are responsible for this blend, and here is round node. I thought maybe if I just do it without round mode, the result will be good, but no. The result is still bad because there is some weird artifacts on instead of lines. So lines is maybe better, I don't know. But it's still not good for me, so I continue searching in the internet. And I found this Unreal Engine Parallax with triplanar. And this YouTuber doesn't solve any problem, because he just replaced these lines with jitter mask, just like lines with different colors and jitter effect. So I made my own triplanar effect. As you see, there is no any lines and smooth result, smooth triplanar effect. And now I will show you how I made it. I just use built-in shader graph Unity triplanar approach. So here is 3 textures: sample texture 1, 2 and 3, with different sizes: Z, Y, Z, XZ, XY. So I replicated the same. Here is 3 textures, here is 3 inputs to UV, but before this texture I added parallax nodes. But there was some weird bugs with this approach. For example, here is cube and it has 6 sides. One parallax direction goes here, one goes here, and one goes from the top. But the opposite 3 sides have opposite parallax direction. So I can fix it only by adding different triplanar effect for these 3 sides. So I copy this group of nodes and this, and I inverted the position. I rotated about axis 190 degrees, and I multiplied these sides with inverted values and added them together. I will upload this triplanar parallax subgraph to my Patreon page, where you can download and use it. And now I will show you how to add this to your shader graph shader. For example, I have this shader, and to use this subgraph you just need to drag and drop it inside your shader and just add your textures, or just select them here. That's all. And also, if you want to add some things like moving for the texture or parallax, you just need to add the time node, multiply it with some vector to value and add it here, and you will get some parallax or texture moving. That's all for this video, and I hope it was helpful. So see you in the next one. Goodbye.